in the midst of engaging with authorities at all levels in Nigeria, and this is done really in the interest of trying to arrive at a resolution, a speedy resolution to this current challenge. We haven't received any word from Nigeria around the outcome to this engagement with authorities in that country. However, we have indicated to those interested parties in MTN that if anything emerges that is material to their interests relating to our engagements, that we would notify them as soon as we get this information. I think when we take a sober and objective view of MTN, what is quite evident is that the fundamentals around the business are good, that the executives who run this business have returned sound and good value to investors and indeed to the shareholders on a regular basis, and that ultimately nothing apart from the fine has really changed affecting MTN to the extent that it should concern investors too much. What we have done also, Elvis, is advise investors and other interested parties in MTN that they should exercise caution in trading in MTN shares, and that they should not be moved too much by speculation and rumors coming outside from company sources, and that they should wait for MTN to release such information, which is both credible and gives proper insight into the state of our activities. We take note of the fact that many of the people who watch MTN closely were calling for us to release information much more timeously. Certainly, as a result of taking note of this, we have begun a proactive system of providing, principally through the Johannesburg Stock Exchange news service, information that is relevant in relation to this fine that has been levied, and more importantly, to update the markets on what has been going on in order to avoid the rampant speculation that we saw earlier on this week. We are also cognizant that this speculation has led to some damage on the part of our investors, to which we undertake to be more proactive in the form of communicating moving forward.